In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change profiles on Amazon Prime Video. Whether you're using it to keep your watch list organized or to provide different viewing experiences for everyone in your household, learning to switch profiles is a quick and easy process. First, let's get started by heading over to a web browser on your favorite device and visiting primavideo.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your Amazon account credentials. Make sure you have your username and password handy. This step ensures that you're able to access all the personalized content and settings tied to your account. If you have multiple accounts, be sure to log in with the one associated with Prime Video. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention towards the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find your profile icon. It might display an avatar or even your initials if you've customized it before. Go ahead and click on this profile icon. Doing so will open a drop-down menu filled with various options and settings specific to your account. Now, from this menu, focus on the section labeled Profiles. This is where all your available profiles are listed. Amazon Prime Video allows you to have multiple profiles, which is particularly useful for families or when you want to maintain separate lists for movies, TV shows, and preferences. Under this Profiles section, you'll see a list of names and profiles you've created. Each profile can have its own set of preferences, like language and maturity filters. At this point, simply click on the name or profile you want to switch to. Once you select a profile, the screen will refresh to show the content and recommendations specific to that profile. This feature makes it convenient to instantly switch viewing experiences without having to leave the site or log in again. And you're done. You've successfully changed profiles on Amazon Prime Video. Remember, each profile can have its personalized settings to enhance the streaming experience. You can create profiles for different members of your household, ensuring that everyone has access to their own viewing history, watch list, and recommendations. If you ever need to change profiles again, just follow these steps and you'll be all set. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials and tech tips. Thanks for watching and enjoy your personalized streaming on Amazon Prime Video.